Up on top of this bulletin, we're tracking some updates on the inheritance tax controversy. Now, the political storm over the inheritance tax continues to escalate. Now, after Prime Minister Narendra Modi teared into Congress over Sam Pitroda's remarks, Congress has now hit back. Now, Congress MP Jairam Ramesh said several BJP leaders, including former Finance Minister Arun Jaitley, praised the concept of inheritance tax. Now, he's also said that several news reports in past have also suggested that the BJP wanted to implement the inheritance tax in India. This comes after BJP's Amit Malviya slammed Congress and said that the tax was proposed by P. Chidambaram in 2012. He said that Pitroda is only furthering Congress' hidden agenda. And remember, Indian Overseas Congress Chairman Sam Pitroda had suggested implementation of inheritance tax of 55%, prompting sharp criticism from BJP, including PM Modi, who accused Congress of looting people in life and after death.
In America, there is an inheritance tax. So if, let's say, one has $100 million worth of wealth, and when he dies, he can only transfer probably 45% to his children. 55% is grabbed by government. Now, that's an interesting law. It says, you in your generation made wealth. You are leaving now. You must leave your wealth for public. Not all of it, half of it. Which to me sounds fair. In India, you don't have that. If somebody is worth 10 billion and he dies, his children get 10 billion.
कांग्रेस पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी चलने वाली इस बचत पर भी, इस संपत्ति पर भी उसकी नजरें हैं, लूटना चाहती है। कांग्रेस का मंत्र है, कांग्रेस की लूट, जिंदगी के साथ भी लूट और जिंदगी के बाद भी लूट। आपने पूर्वजों ने जो संपत्ति बचाई है, जो आपको मिली है, अब ये कांग्रेस कहती है कि आप अपने संतानों को वो संपत्ति नहीं दे सकते। करीब करीब आधी संपत्ति कांग्रेस की सरकार बनेगी तो कानूनन आपसे लूट लेगी। जो संपत्ति आप अपने बच्चों को देना चाहते हैं, उस पर भी कांग्रेस टैक्स लगा करके लूट लेगी।
How can there is a constitution and constitution never allows to do this, and we are not we don't have any intention. Why you are putting his ideas in our mouth? Why you are propagating? He is just for votes. He is playing all this game.
He expresses his views on issues that he considers important very freely, and that's part of democracy. So he makes these comments in the US, he's made these comments in the US, while he's free to say whatever he has to say on issues on which he feels strongly. It's not always that he reflects the views of the Indian National Congress, and on this particular issue also, he's not reflecting the official position of the Indian National Congress.
Boy, what Sam Pitroda has said is not in the manifesto. Please understand, we are a democratic party. Everyone has a right to their personal opinions. Everyone knows I have personal opinions. But once the document is approved by the working committee, that's all the party is standing behind. So the party is saying, this is our document, read it. Nowhere does it talk about wealth redistribution. Nowhere does it talk about taking away anybody's gold and snatching the Mangal Sutras of women. This is such preposterous attacks that we are seeing from the BJP. It's a measure of their desperation. They know they are losing this election and they will fling any mud they can.
कांग्रेस पार्टी सैम पित्रोड़ा के बयान के बाद कंप्लीटली एक्सपोज हो गई। सबसे पहले घोषणा पत्र में सर्वे, मनमोहन सिंह का पुराना बयान जो कांग्रेस की लेगेसी है कि हम देश के संसाधन पर सबसे पहला अधिकार माइनॉरिटीज का मानते हैं, और अब इनके मैनिफेस्टो बनाने में जिनकी अहम भूमिका है वो साम पित्रोड़ा का बयान कि संपत्ति के बंटवारे पर विचार होना चाहिए।
अब कांग्रेस का कहना है कि वो इनहेरिटेंस टैक्स लगाएगी, माता पिता से मिलने वाली विरासत पर भी टैक्स लगाएगी। कांग्रेस का मंत्र है कांग्रेस की लूट। कांग्रेस का मंत्र है कांग्रेस की लूट, जिंदगी के साथ भी और जिंदगी के बाद भी।